Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Laura.
I'm Hanna.
And here we have finally hardened steel tools strong enough for our big 300-ton press. And what we are going to crush with the new tools, we are going to crush coins. Because coins are one of the most typical things that people want to try crush with the press when they see us here or some machine fair or anywhere else with the press. They always want to crush coins. And problem with the coins is the fact that they are metal and the press tools are metal and you crush coin and you crush also the tools. So coins are not very flat after they have been crushed with regular steel tools because they make like pockets on the tools. These steel parts, they are so hard that there's no way that the coin is going to make any dent on these. And what are these? These are test samples of hardening facility that I visited, and these have been hardened multiple times with vacuum hardening machine. So these are really hard. They are even too hard and they are probably slightly brittle, and because of that we are going to see what this likes. This should be basically like hand grenade. And of course we are going to crush some ball bearings because why not? But I want to start with the coins because I have been waiting like 2 years to properly crush a coin with 300-ton press. Here we go, we have also new experiment. This is social experiment. It's called Lauricam. And here is the setup. We don't want to explode these with the coin. So I took the biggest ones and I checked that they close nicely. So the coins are going to be crushed like perfectly. Should we go with the €2 first? Hanna was worried that we are going to get sued or something because we are destroying money. But at least what comes to the money, Europe has some freedom because we are free to destroy the money. Nobody is going to stop us. So here it goes. It's not illegal. It's like just costs some money. Yeah, it's ready. And I think that's not going to explode, but if it goes, it's really bad, so let's close the doors. Here it goes.
Yikes.
Did it slightly deform?
Maybe. I think so.
Yeah, that's surprising. I thought it's going to explode like a hand grenade if it's even slightly crushed. This is hard. This is softer.
Ooh.
Let's change this. This is surprisingly soft.
Our €2 got some nipple now.
Yeah, it's not finished yet. This is like gray and this is like darker gray. So let's try this. It's probably different material. An interesting fact about steel, when you harden it, it gets slightly longer and the amount that it gets longer is depending on the direction of the steel. Like when it's like made out of some rollers or something to this square shape, the like molecules are on like lined up and it gets longer on like other direction rather than other direction. I didn't know that. Let's hope that this is harder.
Oh.
I think this looks like it didn't change shape. Yeah, now it's flat. Now it's flat. Huh? Huh? Oh, huge dent.
Yeah.
I might be like a little bit too optimistic because it's like 300 tons on this sized area. Hey, yeah, actually, like nothing is hard enough. Yeah, because it's like, I think we are pushing like 20,000 bars or something like that. And the steel just, no matter what you do with the steel, it's not hard enough. Let's try one more. But I'm afraid that that's so much pressure that nothing is hard enough. Maybe diamond, but not steel. Okay, one more try. I'm going to put it on fresh spot here because actually, no, there isn't. This is really hard.
Yeah,
this doesn't get dented. Maybe like 0.5 millimeter at max. So let's put this here and again hope for the best. Look soft. Yeah, again dent. I think we have reached the limit. This is as flat as it goes. I think this is the absolute limit what you can do with the steel tools. Time for the stupid part of the video.
Yeah?
Let's take this out. This is expensive. And then we are going to put some ball bearings and smaller part of these to see how now we have seen how hard these are, but we haven't seen how they explode, so I want to see that next. Okay, there is now good medium ass ball bearing. Not a big ass, only medium ass.
We pray for the best and expect the worst.
And there is also our brave stunt person catching the fallout. Here it goes. I feel like I would need safety glasses. It looks terrible.
Boy dear. Boy dear.
That was surprisingly soft. I think it got quite much dented. Guess what?
Summer is here.
And with summer comes the summer mayhem. This is the first summer mayhem ever. And what is summer mayhem? It's our new concept. It's 5 days here in Finland. And idea is to offer you a chance to do beyond the press / hydraulic press channel activities here in Finland with us. With us, we are going to be there the whole time. It's going to be 5 days, and the packet is going to include all the extreme activities, accommodation, food, and travel between the spots.
Yep.
We have 2 really nice Mercedes-Benz VIP vans. And I'm going to drive one of those because we don't want to spend money on separate car driver. And what is the program, you ask? First day, tanks.
Yep.
And I have checked if you want to drive over a car with tank, T55 tank, that's possible. Car and the cleanup is sold separately, but that's possible. Then Tuesday, explosions at Explosion Park. Then third day, rally cars at Finnish Gravel Road. Then 4th day, we are going to crush some dangerous stuff with hydraulic press on our own studio. Everybody can crush whatever they want.
Almost.
Almost, if we have it. We are going to arrange some dangerous stuff. And then we are going to also visit some factory. And on the evening, we have floating sauna.
Yeah.
And then Friday, Formula cars at my favorite racetrack, Alastaro. We are not going to do Formula 1s because we want to keep this manageable price. So they are Formula F3s.
Yeah.
And the price is 7,500. And that's about as cheap as we can make it with this program. And we are not making much of any money with this. Our goal for the project is to have fun 5 days ourselves. Yep. We are going to be there whole time. And also test out the concept. If this goes well, we are going to do much more of these. Also in the winter. And the test group is only 10 people. And I already mentioned this once on Beyond the Press channel. And depending how you count, we have 2 or 3 places left. And this is not sales tactic. We only have that amount of left because it's only 10 people. So if you want to take part on this, be fast. There is email on the screen where you can send your announcement that you want to take part on this. And if you don't fit on this group, then we can inform you if we are going to do this more. I think we are going to do on next winter. Yeah. There was so much demand on this that I think we can do also the winter. But now is your chance for the summer. Send the email if you are interested, and back to the crushing. Oh, this.
Oh no.
This fall doesn't look too bad.
Again.
They are not super deep, but how these are why they are stuck?
Why didn't they fly away?
Yeah, it catches all the shrapnel.
Yeah.
This should be dangerous, but it just catches everything. Hey, let's go have a look on the high speed. Here we can see. It gets quite deep there. Yeah, there is there any on the, I think it hits to the chin of the guy. The wiggle thing is from the table pushing it up. Yeah, I think the shrapnel is too small.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not sure is this even because this is true hardened, but it doesn't look like it's glass. I think it is surprisingly soft for hardened steel. But we're going to now find out. I hope that it explodes, but I'm afraid that it just slips out.
Oh
that's like,
That was terrible.
that's not the climax that I was hoping for.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it turns out that vacuum hardening doesn't turn your steel into glass. It's still like pretty flexible. Okay, now the darker one. And I'm not sure is this the same metal and material or is it completely different, but we are going to find out. Didn't explode, but was much more angry.
I think it hit there. Yeah, I think we hadn't hit anything like this low before.
Where is it? Oh, it's here. Hey, look!
Ooh.
It was close. It was really close.
Yeah.
Let's put it like this. I think we are close to finding out something. That's pretty goddamn good.
Taukojumppa. I don't know what's the word for English, but now you learn Finnish. It's taukojumppa. Stand up. Big venytys like this. Stretches like this and then down. Stretch down, and up. And then maybe some sideways.
Oho.
A second sideways. Then some jumps. Now we are ready to continue.
This is some serious fucking around. The sounds were truly terrifying. I'm going to go flip it around.
Okay. Oh, ew.
Hey, I have good idea. Excellent idea. Check out this. This is some big brain thinking. I give this one a factory guarantee. Something bad is going to happen.
Okay. That was interesting.
That's surprising.
Yeah.
I was sure that it's like it's going to be the worst thing ever.
But no, but at least we broke it. Yeah.
Oh, check. What the hell? This is hardened steel.
Yeah.
Of course, it's also again, it's about 20,000 bars. So I have never seen anything like this.
Yeah, me neither. This is interesting.
Let's try to just put this here and see what it likes. We have to just first remove that. I need safety glasses. Okay, now we are going to put this here like this and this here like this, and something is going to happen.
Oh, it's so soft.
It's not exploding. It's not exploding at all. I'm surprised. It's really interesting. It like cracks a lot. These are like test samples that they use to measure the temperature inside of the oven and on the parts. There are holes on these and they place a thermometer on the hole to see like how hot the steel gets from inside. These have been like multiple cycles in there. So they should be like hard as hell. Might be also, actually it doesn't matter how many times you put it in. Because every time you put it in, it first gets soft when it gets really hot. It like resets that. And then when you cool it down with the nitrogen heat, then it gets hard, but it has gotten soft before it gets hard. So it doesn't matter.
Okay.
There is a lot of detailed explanation about specific process.
Yeah.
Yeah, but on that information, it's time to end the video. We are going to continue our efforts to find out the most explosive material. This ain't that.
Yeah.
And that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.